This case is too quiet? Be quiet. Dark Base Pro 901 Review. Is it the last case you'll ever need? Ever built a rig that looked like a dream but sounded like a blender? Yeah, us too. You finally get everything hooked up, booted up, and suddenly your room's a wind tunnel. The fans roar louder than your hype playlist. Cable spaghetti everywhere. GPU sag doing the limbo. You spent a fortune for what? An eyesore that sounds like a lawnmower? If you're stuck in PC building purgatory, battling loud cases, fiddly parts, and busted airflow, you're not alone. It's frustrating, demoralizing, and enough to make you second-guess your entire setup. But don't smash your rig yet. There's a way out. Here's the real horror. You've got deadlines, gaming sessions, live streams, and creative work breathing down your neck, and your case is bottlenecking everything. Airflow's trash, components run hotter than lava, cable clutter ruins the vibes, and the noise? Oh, the noise. It's like building inside a jet engine. Meanwhile, you're watching YouTubers flaunt whisper quiet battle stations like it's nothing. The stress of fixing, replacing, rerouting, it wears you down. Your motivation tanks. Burnout creeps in. Your dream setup becomes a nightmare. And still, you're stuck with a case that fights you every step of the way. Sounds familiar? Time for a total upgrade. Introducing the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901 Black, the case that basically moonlights as a soundproof booth and a Swiss Army knife. This isn't just some metal box, it's a flex-friendly, future-proof, silence-maximizing engineering masterpiece. You get whisper quiet operation from 3 pre-installed Silent Wings 4 PWM fans, a swappable airflow or silence top and front, and even a touch-sensitive I/O panel like it's 3025. Mount E-ATX mobos? Done. Inverted layout? Yep. Radiators up to 420 millimeters? Bring em. It's so intuitive, you'll swear it builds itself. This thing doesn't just protect your hardware, it respects your sanity. Imagine clean cable routing that feels like origami. GPU support so smart it should have a degree. Subtle ARGB that glows like luxury, not a circus. A tempered glass side panel so sleek you'll catch yourself staring. You'll stop dreading builds and start dreaming them up again. Whether you're a streamer, modder, workstation warrior, or RGB minimalist, this case adapts to your vibe. And with demand skyrocketing, it won't be around forever. Tap that link, dig into the specs, and see what it's like to finally love your case. Your rig deserves better, and frankly, so do you. Thousands of PC builders are ditching noisy, clunky, rigid cases for the Dark Base Pro 901, and once you see, and hear, the difference, there's no going back. Reviewers are raving. Reddit's already obsessed. Don't wait for the next drop. Quantities are limited, and let's be honest, you've put this off long enough. Why settle for good enough when legendary silence and performance are within reach? Smash that link, level up your build, and join the elite who've already upgraded to the quietest powerhouse on the block. It's your move. Don't just build, build better.